Okay, so your girl is walking hella funny. Oh, like my hips hurt. Just everything hurts right now. Why did I do this to myself? Anyways, today is June 1st, and it means I can eat meat. Okay, so anyways.
Eclipse Visa Infinite card.
So I woke up early to go to Churches. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Churches and I'm gonna order some chicken, fried chicken, and I'm gonna eat it in the car. Like my first bite in the car, or first chicken, and then just document it because I think it would be just funny to watch. But yeah, so gonna do that, and then what else am I gonna do? I can't remember. Okay, yeah, go to work. And yeah, okay, so we'll see how this goes. Here I am, guys. Churches chicken, yes. Doesn't look like anyone's here. Hi, sorry, I know it's early. Can I get a 3-piece chicken combo?
3-piece meal?
Yeah.
Do you like it spicy, regular?
Yeah, spicy.
Okay.
And yeah, crispy.
Drink?
Can I get Mountain Dew?
Okay.
And that's it.
That's all?
Yeah.
What about the wing? We have a special for the wing.
Oh.
The next price,
Okay, I'll try. What is it? Like, how many do you get?
$1 per piece.
Oh, okay, I'll get 2 then.
One spicy as well?
Sure.
Thank you so much. So, it's $15.30.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
And your drink?
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Okay, so just okay, so I'm going to stay over here. I'm just gonna roll up my window because, okay, I'm excited to eat. Okay, so this is my Church's chicken box. Let's do an unboxing. Oh my god, I don't even know how to unbox this. I don't care if people are staring at me while I eat. Oh, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, she gave me an extra biscuit. That's cute. Oh, and she gave me an extra wing. Okay, anyways, so every time I go to Churches, I always get Mountain Dew because I barely ever drink Mountain Dew. But y'all know I love Coca-Cola. Okay, which one should I eat first? Should I eat the chicken wing or should I eat like the like drum part? Okay, I'm gonna eat the drum part. Okay, ready? Cheers to being meatless for 3 months. So good. Oh my god. Okay, I need to turn off the car so. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I did it, guys. I miss you so much. So good and juicy. You know what? It's probably the best time to go in the morning because everything's fresh and clean. I have all these cars just driving by looking at me eating. Anyways, the skin part is like the best. No meat for 3 months was actually pretty good. Like, did pretty well. Just stole my roll. Okay. So, doing meatless for 3 months was actually pretty easy. I mean, I've only done it for 1 month before, but I feel like nowadays a lot of people are vegetarian and vegan, so there are a lot of restaurants that cater that. And honestly, there was so much more restaurants that I didn't even go to. Well, I don't really eat out that much. I don't eat much. I'm pretty tiny. Like, my tummy, once it's full, it won't let me eat more. But I just think in terms of health-wise, if you're trying to maybe get healthy or want more energy, definitely try to go more meatless. Even if it's like meatless on a certain day, meatless Mondays or something like that, I think it helps, and you'll see kind of like a difference regardless. Even if you don't do it for like a month or so, I think doing it for a week would be good, or 2 weeks, like however long you can. Because doing meatless or vegetarian vegan for like years, it's actually a lot of like, you have to do your research because everyone's body is so different, right? What you need for your body is very different. But I just did this test for myself, and I hope I don't get tired during this summer, but we'll see. And yeah, I'm just excited to enjoy food and not be like restricted to just like eating like greens and tofu, which I love, don't get me wrong. But yeah, so you know, when it comes to diet, honestly, just enjoy the food that you love. It's all about like moderation, proportion. You know, if you're eating McDonald's every day, I don't think that's good, right? There's obviously, you know, there's a documentary on it. So yeah, eat whatever you want. Yeah. But the main thing is to just exercise regularly or go for walks and runs. And yeah, just kind of making it a daily habit to do something healthy every day. You know? Even if it's just going for an afternoon like walk or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna try this chicken wing. Oh, delicious. Definitely not non-pan wings, but very crispy. I'm getting full already. Oh my god, I forgot to order the gravy. Let me just order gravy. Yeah, I need to order gravy. Okay. Turn it around. Okay, so that was my first day of eating meat. Go back and grab my gravy.